Came here because a lot of the folks that visit the Baltimore medical system rely on those Enhanced Affordable Care Act subsidies to be able to afford their health insurance. Leaders here worry that if those subsidies expire, then more Marylanders will go without health insurance coverage altogether. In fact, some folks are already telling us that they will not be able to afford to keep theirs.
Without those subsidies, our insurance would more than double per month, and that's not really sustainable.
Valerie Kessler and her spouse are facing some tough choices. Both have chronic health issues, but they can only afford health insurance for one person without their Affordable Care Act subsidies, meaning Valerie may go without insurance.
It could kill them if my spouse isn't getting the care that they need. So I would rather be miserable than be a widow, and that's a choice that we might have to make.
Amjad Riar is the COO at Baltimore Medical System. Friday, he hosted Senator Chris Van Hollen at Baltimore Medical System at Yard 56. Senator Van Hollen says he's also concerned people won't be able to afford health care coverage after a bill to extend Enhanced Affordable Care Act subsidies failed in the Senate on Thursday.
Places like this right now, they're going to be showing up and they're not going to have any coverage. And then there are people who are going to have to pay out a lot more for their health insurance.
But Republican Congressman Andy Harris says the enhanced subsidies are a Band-Aid solution. He sent WBAL TV 11 News a statement saying, quote, "The enhanced pandemic-era ACA subsidies were never meant to become a permanent deficit-financed entitlement that conceals rather than fixes the drivers of high premiums. Obamacare is only 7% of Americans. Literally almost 100% of Americans need relief from their health care policy premiums, not just 7%. Valerie just hopes lawmakers do something.
People will die without these subsidies, and people who aren't dying, they're going to suffer. And I really hope that, our elected officials can get it together and do what is right for the people.
He and other Democrats are pushing Republican lawmakers to reconsider, but he does not think they will come to an agreement before those subsidies are set to expire at the end of this month. Live in East Baltimore, I'm Brianna Ross, WBAL TV 11 News.